Man, I ain't okay to come see, man. To see if it's really running like they say, man. Let me see. We're gonna see when what old Slim Thug got as he pull up to the line, y'all. He got that motor covered up, huh? He always got that motor covered like he got a bad motherfucker or something.
He need to get that motherfucker slow, that motherfucker. He need to get that motherfucker all the
Oh, Lips Papa said them fries are good. Okay, we finna see. Pure Advice Podcast. You done came in and followed and left. You ain't told nobody what you talking about. Super TRD Turbo. Okay. Oh, he ain't subscribed. He was cool. Bassoon Beast. Why y'all ain't subscribed yet, man? I can ask that question. Risk. Do people that usually follow, do they usually subscribe later? Or like what make them go and subscribe, man? Jag DOA, that's my boy right there. He subscribed. Tell me, what you gotta do to get a follower to subscribe? Like, okay, we got Lips Popping. Hey, one. He subscribed. Oh shit, I got a gifted from the Super Turbo. Hey, do you really got a Super with a turbo? Rob one time, this is my third one, fool. I done put about 20% on the third one. I don't go past 3. This is my last one for real, for real. I was bullshitting last on the 2. But shit, I'm for real now. This is my number 3. This bitch working, that bitch tastes so good. They made it good. They got that mix good. When they got that mix good, I get turned on. Hey, what you think about that, That'll be a good race, right? You want to see them race? That's a good race. Man, that's Backyard Dog versus Blackjack. They need to get that going, man. That could be some money. You been on Backyard? He got an old motor too, man. That's a good ass race, but I don't know. I think old dog. I don't think the dog got an old motor. He ain't got no LS. No, he don't. I don't think he got no LS motor. Hell no. Huh? It's big.
We got a grand race.
Oh shit. Get him, Unc. Get him, Unc. Unc getting him. Give him the Unc. Let me see.
Dallas on Dallas.
Damn, my shit. They good, Unc? Tell me if they good.
No time. Grudge race.
What you rate them as, Unc? Tell me what you give them, Unc. 1 through 10, what's that, Unc? That's a 10? God damn, I want some now for sure. I'll come back when you finish, yeah, gone.
I can't get nothing tonight.
I can get 2 on 5.
Good point of drive by Kato. Kato Bloodjack gets the win. Kato gets loose on the line.
I ain't never seen that car 60
Because
foot
it
that hard.
crosses over to the lane. Kato wins the same truck.
Hey, I make that sound big.
What's up with it? Did you know I was gonna run that hard? Man.
Yeah.
Oh, you met it with?
Yeah. Lil Milton car?
Yeah.
I knew he was gonna leave like a motherfucker. He gonna leave hard like that all the time.
Man, I'm finna taste these fries. Let me taste them fries, huh? Oh, yeah. Damn. Here, Lex.
I don't need that.
All right. What I need to do?
Yeah, them
Man, hold on, man. Let me see if I can put something on there, man. Hold on.